everybody. It is Wednesday, March 14th, 2018, and it is nice and dark outside. It is 5:30 a.m. I don't know if you can see me. Probably not. I'm on my way to the gym to get a shoulders workout in. No time for excuses. And since I've been a little bit tired at night and my workouts have been suffering just a little, I figured while I have some energy bright and early, I will head over there. So let's go get a good shoulder workout in. So, finished a bunch of shoulder exercises. Fasting this morning, didn't eat breakfast. It was a little too early for me, 5:30. So I didn't really know how this was gonna pan out. But I'm doing well, my energy's up, drinking my water, and going to continue. Stay focused, guys. Here we go. Heading home from the gym, had a great workout, guys. I don't know, I think I might be doing this in the mornings now. It seems to be so much easier for me to work out in the morning rather than 10 o'clock at night. But there are days where Jess comes home at a reasonable hour and we like to work out together. So on the mornings that he typically would work late, I think I'm gonna start working out in the morning. It's almost 7 o'clock now. Did over an hour. Shoulders, I got a little bit of cardio in. They have this new machine that I love. It simulates rollerblading. It's sort of like an elliptical, but it goes laterally, which is phenomenal for the outer hips, quads. There's also an inner thigh setting, but I haven't tried that yet. But I really like it. It's really a cool machine. I'm glad the gym got it. So, going home now, gonna have my cup of coffee and take a shower, get dressed, and then I think I will eat my breakfast. So, first time really in super long that I have done any kind of fasting workout. I was a little hesitant because I wasn't sure how it was gonna go, but it went really well. Keto rocks, guys. It really does. So anyway, all right, I'll see you in my next clip. Sun is still not out yet. It's still dark, but I did my workout for the day. Wow, I could come home from work and just chillax. I'll see you guys later. So getting ready to leave for work, showered, brushed my teeth, got ready, have my handy dandy bottle of water. Oh, I forgot my watch. You know what? Shoot. I have this shirt on today. Check this out, guys. It's got the coolest fluttery sleeves. You see this? Oh my God, that's right. Loving this shirt. Okay, so heading to work. And then after work, I'm going to be picking up Britt. We're going to be heading to DSW. And yeah, so I'll bring you along. This is kind of like a vlog for the whole day. It started out with kind of like I was thinking of doing a workout video, but it's very difficult to record while I'm in the gym by myself. And yeah, my hair is getting super long. I'm loving it. I really like the color. Whatever she put in my hair, as far as glaze goes, is starting to fade a little bit. So it's kind of getting a little bit lighter and less orangey, which I prefer. I do need a trim though, but I'm really trying to let it grow out. So I don't know. Yeah, that's a scoop. The hair is literally down to like almost nipple length. This is what the darn wind did to my hair. It is demolished. Ah! Okay. So I'm about to pick up Brittany. We're going to go into DSW and do a little shopping. Both of us are looking for a new pair of sneakers. So that is my next stop, and I will see you either in DSW. I don't know if I'll be able to film in there, or I'll just show you what we got after if we're so lucky to find something. Okay, so Brittany's, mine. So those are the shoes we got. I got the Adidas with the pink stripes, and Britt got the Steve Madden black with the silver. It's so cute. It was very weird feeling in there because it was kind of quiet in DSW, and I really didn't want to walk around with the camera. So I'm sorry, but next time I promise I will bring you. If I go on a weekend, it's always busy, and I won't be as obvious if I have a camera. So anyway, all right, Starbucks, here we come. Just got to Starbucks. I am currently sitting here waiting for Britt to come out. Sent her in. It's freezing out, and I really just didn't feel like going back outside. I'm really tired today. I think going to the gym this morning was phenomenal, but it was super early, and I don't know if it's that affecting me or if it's, you know, the past few days being back on keto, but I definitely feel drained out. I don't know. Is that Britt coming? Nope, not yet. Figured I'd switch the camera around. But yeah, I'm super drained, and not to the point where I want to go to sleep, but I just feel fatigued. And obviously that's from being on keto, but I really thought by now, tomorrow's day 7, I thought I would have my energy back. But I have energy like early in the day, but as the day goes on, I definitely feel fatigued. So that's what's going on in my neck of the woods. Hope you guys are all doing wonderful. I know a bunch of you restarted, and I'm very proud of you, and we're all doing this together. So yeah, let me know in the comments below how you're feeling, if you just restarted, if any of you have that huge amount of energy. I do have that in the morning, and I do find that I'm able to sleep a lot better, more soundly, but I wake up super early. Hold on, Britt's looking for me, and she's asking where I parked. Britt, maybe she's just asking. But my energy level as the day goes on gets dwindled, where when I was eating the carbohydrates, I was full of energy all the time. So I'm definitely noticing it, but I'm also noticing the clothes are fitting better. My skin feels so much better. I mean, my skin is always not bad, but I notice. We all notice these things on keto, right? The skin gets better, the hair gets better, the nails. My nails are always thick and strong and whatever. I have gel polish, but this time I had her put French manicure. I did have her put acrylic on top of my nails. These are my nails. There's no fake nails or anything. But she said my nails were super hard, and that is, when did I have my nails? Hold on, I'm beeping for Britt. Britt! Well, I'm going to show you. She's looking. Hold on. Here she comes, and she's got a bag. Hey guys, Brittany has lost a total of, what is she at, 15, 16 pounds already? She's doing so good. She's on Weight Watchers. Let's see what she got. I'm telling everybody about your success on Weight Watchers. What'd you get?
Coffee.
What kind? French vanilla.
Can you stop me?
All right, first say hi to everybody, and then I'll...
Hi.
Hi, bye.
Hi, bye.
Miss Camera Shy. All right, so we're going to head home now, and...
I'm not shy.
You're not shy?
No.
I was telling everybody how much weight you've lost.
I'm hungry right now.
She's hungry. All right, so we're going to head home, and I'll continue the vlog when we're home. Yes. My little one over there made me a BPC. Oh, yeah. And we're watching. What are we watching, Britt? Price is Right. What is going on outside? All of a sudden, it's a blizzard. It was just sunny, like, I don't know, 20 minutes ago. Somebody pulled a switch. Look at the snow coming down. Oh my goodness. Well, this is the life of New Jersey in March. You tired, baby girl? Stretching out. Oh yes. Oh, Paisley, I still see your tail. Is your tail gonna wag? Is your tail gonna wag, Paisley? And then over here. Are you up, Mom? Barely. go sleepy too. It's getting late. Everybody's tired. Everybody's tired. Right? Are you tired? Say hi, everybody. Hi. Hi, Molly. Aw, lay down, sweet girl. Lay down, my baby. Oh, I love you. Yes. Yes, I love you. Aw, sweet babies. Look at this. Did someone run around outside too much? Did somebody run around outside too much? Look at the tail. Oh, are you up now too? Mom, see your sister sleeping. Is Paisley laying down? Someone's tail's wagging. Are you so tired? Mom, she's tired. My babies, I love you. So I have these in the fridge, but guys, I am in no mood to start the oven now and cook these things. I think it's gonna be the old standby. Eggs and bacon! I don't know. You ever have one of those nights where you're just like not in the mood to eat and you know you have to eat, but our fridge is so loaded with stuff. Brittany's soup from before. I have so much food, but I don't feel like cooking. Okay. So, I'm going to make eggs, bacon. That's for dinner. So as you can see, I decided to skip the eggs. I was kind of in the mood for something cold and crunchy. So I have in here 1 cup of butter lettuce, 6 pieces of bacon, 90 grams of cucumber, a bunch of green olives, and some blue cheese dressing, and a couple of little blue cheese crumbles. That's for dinner. Protein comes from the bacon. Fat comes from the bacon, the olives, the blue cheese. And the carbs are the lettuce and cucumber, and maybe 1 or 2 carbs for the olives, and that's it. So this is a great keto dinner when you're not in the mood for a full-on dinner. Have a little salad, have some full-fat dressing, throw some bacon bits on top. I make mine myself, and that's it. So I think I'm going to end this vlog here. Hope you guys have a great night. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay focused, guys.